Hello investors. Today I'm here to talk about some of the large cap IT stocks that could emerge as the biggest AI winners. The next trillion-dollar opportunity may not come from software outsourcing. It may come from artificial intelligence or AI. And India, which was once world's back office during the IT revolution, now wants to become a major AI powerhouse. And the interesting part is, some of the Indian IT companies have already started generating billions of dollars in AI revenue. AI doesn't just stop with software companies. In fact, it is transforming almost every industry. From healthcare and banking to manufacturing and retail, companies across the world are spending aggressively to automate processes and improve productivity. According to several industry estimates, the global AI market could cross over $1.5 trillion in the coming decade. In fact, generative AI alone is expected to add trillions of dollars to the global GDP. And unlike previous technology cycles, AI is not just limited to one sector. It affects software development, customer support, cybersecurity, cloud infrastructure, manufacturing, financial services, healthcare, and supply chains. And this creates a massive opportunity for IT service providers. India may not be building foundation models like OpenAI or Anthropic, but the country has a huge advantage. India already possesses one of the world's largest IT talent pools, more than 5 million technology professionals, strong digital public infrastructure, rapid cloud adoption, thousands of global capacity centers, and cost-efficient engineering talent. India's IT industry generates more than $80 billion in revenue and serves almost every Fortune 500 company. And this gives Indian companies a direct access to the enterprises which are investing heavily in AI transformation. So instead of competing with global giants like OpenAI, Indian IT firms are helping global enterprises deploy AI solutions at scale. And this could prove to be an even bigger opportunity. And in fact, the government has also been pushing AI adoption aggressively. Through India AI Mission, semiconductor initiatives, and digital infrastructure programs, India is trying to create a complete AI ecosystem. Some of the key focus areas include AI compute infrastructure, GPU access, skill development, indigenous AI models, semiconductor manufacturing, and data center infrastructure. As enterprises move from experimentation to large-scale AI deployment, Indian IT companies could become global execution partners. And this brings me to my first talk, which is TCS or Tata Consultancy Services. TCS is India's largest IT service company and is one of the world's leading technology consulting and digital transformation firms. The Tata Group company serves customers across 56 countries and has a global network of 194 delivery centers and a workforce of over 5.8 lakh professionals. Over the years, TCS has evolved through every technology cycle, from mainframes and client-server computing to cloud digital transformation and now AI. The company is positioning itself as an AI-led technology services player with ambition of becoming the world's largest AI service company. The company possesses one of the strongest delivery and execution capabilities among the global peers. They have more than 2.7 lakh employees with advanced AI and machine learning proficiency. They have an industry expertise across BFSI, manufacturing, healthcare, telecom, retail, consumer, energy, and technology sectors. Despite macroeconomic uncertainties, TCS still delivered a resilient performance in FY26. Their consolidated revenue stood at 2.67 lakh crores, registering a growth of approximately 5% year-on-year, while their net profit reached 49,454 crores, supported by margin expansion and operational discipline, making it one of the companies with highest net profits in India. Their total contract value in FY26 stood at $40.7 billion. TCS has over 66 clients contributing to over 100 million annually and 139 clients contributing over 50 million annually. These metrics underline the company's strong enterprise relationships and revenue visibility. And FY26 also marked a transformational year for the company's AI journey. Their enterprise AI adoption entered the deployment phase, moving beyond experimentation towards large-scale implementation. And TCS has emerged as one of the earliest Indian IT companies to disclose their AI revenue. Their annualized AI revenue increased from 1.8 billion in Q3 of FY26 to 2.3 billion in Q4 of FY26. This rapid growth reflects increasing enterprise spending on AI transformation, digital engineering, cloud modernization, data modernization, and generative AI deployment. TCS is investing across the entire AI stack rather than limiting itself to consulting services. One of the biggest developments for the company during FY26 was the launch of their Hypervault AI data center. The platform is designed to provide secure AI infrastructure and position India as an AI hub. Hypervault is eventually expected to support up to 1 gigawatts of AI infrastructure capacity. TCS is also strengthening its AI ecosystem through partnerships with OpenAI, AMD, and ABB. These alliances strengthen TCS's position across infrastructure, engineering, and AI services. The company is also collaborating with hyperscalers, semiconductor companies, and model providers to build a comprehensive AI ecosystem. And the company has already started executing real-world AI projects. Going forward, TCS intends to focus on 4 major priorities: developing industry-specific AI operating systems to accelerate agentic AI deployments, constructing India's first AI-focused data center with rack densities exceeding 160 kilowatt, strengthening collaborations with hyperscalers, frontier AI companies, and industrial OEMs, and building secure, resilient, and sovereign AI infrastructure to support India's AI ambition. Now, if you want to get strategic exposure to the rapidly growing AI and data center industry, check out our small case TB AI and Data Center Dominators theme. This portfolio offers targeted exposure to India's high-growth stocks, blending established industry leaders with emerging innovators in AI and data center segment. The next stock on the list is Persistent Systems. It is one of India's leading digital engineering and enterprise modernization companies. They have evolved from a product engineering specialist into an AI-led platform-driven technology services company serving enterprises across software and high-tech, banking, financial services, healthcare, and life sciences. Persistent has continuously adapted to emerging technology cycles, including cloud, analytics, digital transformation, and now artificial intelligence. Today, the company serves approximately 20 out of the top 50 Fortune companies. They possess strong digital engineering capabilities built over 3 decades. They have an employee strength of over 27,500 professionals and presence across North America, Europe, India, and Asia Pacific. Their offerings span product and platform engineering, data and artificial intelligence, cloud-enabled enterprise modernization, and intelligent automation. Persistent Systems has built major capabilities across 3 verticals. The first is software, high-tech, and emerging industries, where they serve 7 of the 10 global technology companies. Second is the banking, financial services, and insurance, where they serve 4 of the 5 top banks across US and India. Third is the healthcare and life sciences, where they serve leading healthcare providers and pharmaceutical companies. Their FY26 revenue stood at 14,748 crores, growing 19% year-on-year, while their profits increased 33% year-on-year to 1,865 crores. The company continues to strengthen their engagement with large customers. During FY26, their customers with over 20 million in annual revenue increased from 10 to 12, while the customers with over 10 million in annual revenue rose from 21 to 29. Their FY26 bookings remain healthy, with total contract value of $2.4 billion and annual contract value of $1.8 billion. AI is becoming the central pillar for Persistent's growth story. The company expects enterprise AI adoption to accelerate significantly over the coming years, with technology companies leading the transition. The company has built several proprietary AI platforms, such as Sasva, which is an AI-powered engineering platform aimed to improving developer productivity and enterprise scale execution; Gen AI Hub, designed for building and deploying enterprise AI solutions; Agent Studio, which provides orchestration and runtime capabilities for AI agent; and iAura, which supports AI implementation and enterprise transformation. They have also forged partnerships with some of the leading AI companies, which includes OpenAI, Anthropic, Microsoft Copilot, Google, NVIDIA, Databricks, and Snowflake. They are also aggressively expanding into agentic AI. Along with that, they are expanding their investment in R&D. The company has filed for more than 120 patents, published multiple research papers, and built domain-specific accelerators and methodologies for enterprise AI adoption. Going forward, the company plans to focus on scaling AI-led offerings by expanding AI-driven services and platform-based business models, accelerating agentic AI by developing developing autonomous AI solutions and workflow orchestration capabilities, and expanding partnerships. The management of the company remains committed to achieving $2 billion in revenue despite macroeconomic challenges. The next stock on the list is Infosys Limited. It is India's second largest IT services company and one of the world's leading providers of digital transformation, consulting, engineering, cloud, and AI services. The company has a strong presence across 50 countries and serves enterprises across financial services, manufacturing, telecom, retail, healthcare, energy, and public services. Infosys has spent more than 4 decades helping enterprises navigate technology shifts and is now focusing on the next wave of transformation driven by generative AI and agentic AI. The company also possesses one of the most diversified technology portfolios. In FY26, the company recorded a revenue of 1.78 lakh crores, growing 10% year-on-year. Their net profit in the period stood at 29,474 crores, again growing 10% from FY25. The company added 443 gross clients in FY26 and their total client base reached 1,965 customers. In FY26, their total contract value stood at $14.9 billion and their full year large deal wins grew 28% year-on-year. Infosys is collaborating with 90% of its top 200 clients on AI transformation initiatives and has over 4,600 AI projects underway. Artificial intelligence has become the core pillar for the company's long-term growth strategy. Infosys Topaz is the company's flagship AI suite. The platform comprises more than 12,000 AI assets, over 150 pre-trained AI models, and more than 10 AI platforms. AI services contributed to around 5.5% of revenue in Q3 of FY26, and that AI revenue continued to grow strongly in Q4. Infosys combines its own platforms with leading AI ecosystem including OpenAI, Anthropic, Microsoft Azure AI, AWS Bedrock, Google Cloud AI, and GitHub. Infosys is one of the few global IT companies which has capability to execute multi-billion-dollar transformation projects. And to further strengthen themselves, Infosys have major plans to expand their AI services. Infosys will continue to leverage its Cobalt platform to accelerate cloud adoption and focus on high growth verticals. The management also expects stronger growth from financial services and energy utilities resources and services. The next stock on the list is HCL Technology. It is one of India's largest IT services companies and a global technology leader with operations spanning more than 60 countries. They provide a broad range of services across IT and business services, engineering and R&D services, cloud, cybersecurity, digital transformation, and software products. The company follows an all-weather portfolio approach, combining traditional IT services with engineering capabilities and software products, which has enabled it to consistently outperform many global peers across business cycles. HCL possesses one of the strongest engineering-led delivery models. Their engineering and R&D services grew 9.8% in FY26, making it one of the fastest growing businesses within HCLTech. Their FY26 revenue grew by 11% to 1.3 lakh crores. However, their profits declined 4% from 17,399 crores in FY25 to 16,652 crores in FY26. Their new deal total contract value stood at $9.3 billion and their employee counts increased to 2.27 lakh. And AI is becoming one of the key growth pillars for the company. In FY26, their annualized advanced AI revenue reached $620 million and their Q4 AI revenue stood at $155 million. The company also indicated that the AI-led offerings are gaining traction and becoming increasingly important for long-term growth. HCLTech's flagship AI platform, AI Force, has been deployed across 75 client accounts. The platform focuses heavily on agentic AI capabilities and enterprise-grade governance. The company has also established deep partnerships with some of the biggest AI players. This includes OpenAI, Gemini, NVIDIA, and AWS. They have also expanded partnership to include applied AI research and agentic AI innovation. The company has over 1.3 lakh trained employees in generative AI and certified over 11,800 AI builders. During FY26, HCL Technologies filed over 38 patents related to advanced AI technologies. Their engineering and semiconductor capabilities position them as a strong player in physical AI and AI infrastructure. Going forward, the company plans to expand their AI-led services, scale agentic AI, build more proprietary IP, deepen AI partnerships, and expand AI certifications and specialized talent pool. India's AI revolution is still in its early stages, and India may not necessarily win by building the next ChatGPT. In fact, India's biggest opportunity lies in helping the world adopt AI. And companies like this already possesses deep enterprise relationships, millions of skilled professionals, strong cloud and data capabilities, global delivery networks, and increasingly AI-first business models. And in this video, I have tried to capture only a few out of the larger pool of companies working in AI. These companies could emerge as the biggest long-term winners in the AI race. So which IT stock do you think has the strongest AI capability? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you.